Bullets and broadheads at the range. Gonna show you guys something my buddy got. He's got a Glock 27, which is the 40 caliber. And he just bought a 9mm barrel from...
This is from Lone Wolf Distributions. It's a 40 to 9 conversion for your Glock 20. Well, on this version, I have a Glock 27. And I got the shorter barrel, but they do make this for the Glock 23 and also for the Glock anything in 357. They'll make it into a 9mm so you can shoot both projectiles. I have a 40 caliber and a 9mm today. Let's go ahead and show you with the 40 stock Glock barrel. We'll take one magazine and then we'll switch it out for the 9mm and we'll take it from there.
So this is sweet, guys. If you have a 27, 40 is expensive right now. You want to shoot 9mm, which is cheaper. This is a good way to go.
I have the Glock 27 mags with the +2 from Pierce Grip. So I had 11 rounds through that. Right now, make sure it's on safe. Correction, well, there's no safety on this Glock, but make sure there's no round in the chamber.
So that was a Glock Gen 3, right?
Correct.
Glock Gen 3, 40 caliber, Glock 27. Now he's converted to a Glock 26. Practically, I have the Glock 26. The Gen 4, they're pretty much identical in sizes, so there's really no difference besides the barrel and the magazine.
Go with a 9mm now. Go. 40 caliber
target. Just to show you guys, when he switched out, he lost no accuracy whatsoever. It performed flawless. Now the Glock 27 takes a 9mm Glock 26 mag, and it shoots just as accurate. I mean, Lone Wolf makes some great products for your Glocks. This is a great economic way to have a Glock 27 and make it into 2 guns. But show them what you do with the mags.
This is
That's what crayon.
you can mark them. You fill in the gap with some crayon and brush off the rest. This I learned from the master here.
So that's a good tip there, guys. If you have a couple of Glocks, different calibers, it's easier to mix up Glock magazines, trust me. But good little quick vid, turning your 27 into 26. You don't lose any reliability. You don't lose accuracy. And this is my good friend Carlos. He's also my hunting buddy I told you about. So, great tip, guys. 9mm is a lot cheaper than 40 right now. Take care.